Okay.
Parang nangyayari sa kudahan.
Like this?
Yeah, yeah. You.
Ayoko na.
Uy, wag.
Yan ba muna
Okay,
sa
okay,
akin?
okay.
Basta magtampo ng buhok mo.
It's hard.
I know it's thick here. Just go. Just carry on. Just carry on. Just carry on. Carry on. Carry on. You didn't finish.
You can do it.
Ate.
You didn't finish. Carry on. Carry on.
Lalo, marami kang matutulungan.
Nearly there. Carry on. Carry on.
Para sa ekonomiya. Now done? Or not?
Nabibibi na ako.
Alright. Leave it. Just that piece there. Yeah.
Get that?
Yeah.
Wala na, mani. Mani. May ano yung gagawa mo? Ew!
Yeah.
May sinabi.
Goodbye.
Show it to the camera.
Nasa na live.
Ang
Ha?
ganda.
Okay lang.
Bagay.
Ang ganda.
Ganda ko talaga.
May sinabi.
Alright, done. 50 pesos.
Uy, gato yan ah! Gato yan!
Filipino haircut.